Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Fat Guy Tries. I'm the Fat Guy, and I know I was going to try to take a break from these Blizzard videos because I'd made so many over the summer, just going down the all-star menu that Dairy Queen has been offering this summer, but they have a new Blizzard of the Month for August, and I had to do it. It's take 5, and I don't know if I've said this on the channel, but of all the candy out there, of all the chocolate bars out there, take 5 is definitely my favorite. I mean, what other candy can you get where you get peanuts, pretzels, peanut butter, caramel, and chocolate? It's all in one. I mean, I could eat so many take 5s, and I have eaten so many take 5s. It's part of why I am the Fat Guy. So when I heard they were making a take 5 Blizzard, I knew I had to get in on that. And that leads me into my my confession before this video. This is the second time I'm having this. I've already had it once. My brother and I, got it a couple days ago when I said, take 5 Blizzard is out, and so we both got one. And consider this more of a Fat Guy retries. I really do try to eat critically when I do these videos. So let's just say that the first time I had it was for pleasure. This is for business. This is to really assess they filled this up pretty generously. Let me show you what a spoonful looks like. You can see we got all kinds of stuff in there. I think we got pretzels and peanuts. Obviously you see a little caramel, some chocolate. So why don't we go ahead before this melts? Let's take our first bite of the Take 5 Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Oh my God. That was sometimes when I try these Blizzards, I have to take like a couple of spoonfuls just to really get that full flavor. I think I got all of it on that one. I'm going to take another spoonful just to really hammer it home, but oh my Lord, that was good. So the pretzel obviously stands out because not a lot of Dairy Queen Blizzards have pretzels. It's been quite a few with peanuts. Drumstick Blizzard, for example. So when you get, that distinct salty crunch of the pretzel with the peanut, it's just like a wonderful, combination of salty flavor that's obviously soothed a little bit by the vanilla ice cream. And the peanut butter, I got to comment on that because they use like a kind of peanut butter. It's almost like, for lack of a better phrase, it's almost like liquid peanut butter kind of. Back in the day, Dairy Queen used to have this item called the peanut butter bash, and no, it's different from the peanut butter, or from the peanut butter parfait. That's a little bit different. What made the peanut butter bash stand out was, it was just like a parfait, but what made it different was it had hot fudge and like this, like I said, it was almost like just a current of like hot liquid peanut butter. And it was, I don't think it was actually warm by itself. I think the hot fudge warmed it up, but it was just magical. And I was very sad when they got rid of that item, and having this is like the closest I can get to that. It's just, you know, the caramel is there too, and it's overwhelming a little bit. I gotta say, of all the blizzards I've had on this menu, of all the blizzards I've tried over the years and I've recorded for this series, for this channel, Take 5 one might be the best. It's just wonderful. It's got all the ingredients I love in that classic blizzard form, and you just, after you finish eating it, you just feel so satisfied. I gotta say, if you're a Take 5 fan, go out and get this. I mean, you will not regret it. Get it multiple times if you have to. I will probably get it at least one more time this summer before the month of August is up. 5 stars for Take 5. That's my review. This was outstanding, and I am going to finish the rest of it. But first, I want to thank you all for watching this video. Thank you for watching Fat Guy Does Things. I appreciate everybody who takes time to watch these videos. If you are not subscribed, why not hit subscribe? I got some stuff coming out. I'm working on regrouping the channel a little bit because I've been doing so many of these Blizzard reviews because it's really easy, but I want to focus on an old favorite, Breakfast Boy. I want to get some stuff together for that. There might be more Fat Guy Talks, you know, and pop quiz, and who knows, I might try different things besides Blizzards. So that's gonna do it for me. So thank you all for watching, and have a great day.